Welcome to another room tour. Today we are at the SeaWorld Resort here on the Gold Coast. When we first walk in and we look to the left, we've got these glass shelves. Now these glass shelves are great for storing food from the supermarket. Down here in the mini fridge, you'll see that there's a lot of room to pop some water bottles. That's great for chilling some water bottles to take to the theme parks. Above the mini fridge, there's also a pull-out drawer with some tea and coffee, some mugs, and some glasses. Now you'll see the long mirror. The long mirror here is a must in a hotel room. We really appreciate being able to have that full-length mirror to get ready in the mornings. The two beds here were really comfortable. We had no complaints there. You'll see both beds here have a great view of the TV, and under that telly you've got a beautiful long table space. Now this little front cabinet gave us lots of room to pop up our bags, getting them up off the floor. You had two nice little chairs there which you could choose, or you had that pink little box sofa. Both gave a nice spot to sit rather than on the bed. You've got a air conditioner which was very cooling. Now let's have a look behind the curtains. Interesting view. The view that we had looked out over to the children's playground, and then there was also some construction happening over the fence. Looked like a large car park. You can't really see much here because it was night by the time we got in. If you are on the lowest level, the sliding door just opens up to the grassed area. So if you have kids, it could be a great spot to be. They can run out and use that playground. The bedside table between the beds has the phone, the TV remote, and the air conditioner remote. And there was also a few PowerPoints, more PowerPoints underneath the TV. In the cupboards, you'll find a hairdryer and an iron, as well as a safe. And then on the other side of the cupboard, you've got the ironing board and just some storage to pop either shoes or hang some dresses or shirts. There's also two spare pillows up at the top of the cupboard. The bathroom had this nice mint colour up on the wall. It was very fresh, very light. The tapware, the shower head, it was a dark black colour. Really nice, looked modern, it looked fresh. You'll see here that this glass panel didn't do a great job of holding and keeping the water in the shower cubicle. Water would trickle down into the drain, which was in the middle of the room. So that was a little bit of a downfall there, is that you would get wet socks or wet feet when walking through the bathroom if someone had recently had a shower. There was another towel rail where you could hang items from, which was really convenient. The room does come with hand and body wash. A lot of table space to pop up your toothbrush, hairbrush, makeup. There was also two PowerPoints accessible in the bathroom as well. So overall the bathroom was really spacious, quite nice. It's just the water on the floor would be the only downside to this bathroom area. So the flooring in this room was a combination between these floorboards, carpet, and then tiles in the bathroom. The carpet was really clean. There was no obvious stains. Same with the floorboards. It was all flat. None were peeling up. Okay, so that's the room inside. Now let's go on a hotel tour. So I'm just stepping outside of the SeaWorld Resort to have a little look at the garden area. This is the restaurant that we are going to dine at tonight, Melrose. And then we come out the back down towards the water. We've got the beautiful white rotunda. Alright, let's continue down the footpath towards the pool. Now the SeaWorld Resort has a splash park and a pool. So let's go have a little looky. The pool has like a little cafe area. You've got the large pool, and then you've got the splash park down towards the water. You've got the Squidward squirting water. Looks like the major aqua play area is under maintenance, but usually that's a really good spot as well. Let's walk around Squidward and head down towards the water. A stunning view out here. So this is literally the edge of the SeaWorld Resort property. You've got the pontoon, got some like little deck chairs and like pool lazy boys that you can sit on. There's also some picnic tables as well that you could use while eating your dinner, looking out at that beautiful sunset. Here's another section of the splash zone. This one has some misters for the kids to run under. The aqua play area is currently under maintenance, but that is usually what it looks like. And then you've got the big bucket full of water that tips over the roof, and that's always a lot of fun. The beautiful dolphin cut into the bush. That's so cool. It looks like they also have a little bonfire out here. Got some little chairs, little fire. There's another one over there. So we might come sit out here a little bit later. There are more pools of water around the restaurant. That creates a really nice scenic view from inside. There's just like a really shallow, thin amount of water. Imagine having some like little fish swimming in there. It'd be very cute. Look like really spiky plants to be having here at SeaWorld where all the kids are running around. Maybe it's to keep the children out the garden. Maybe it's to keep them out the water. There's that beautiful white rotunda a little bit closer, overlooking the splash park and the pool. Look at that sunset. Very, very beautiful. And then you turn around and you look at the main resort building just behind us. Wow, it's getting attacked by seagulls. Ah, there go the seagulls. Alright, so for dinner tonight we are coming to Melrose here at the SeaWorld Resort. Beautiful sunset as we sit at our table here. So Mum's got the potato gnocchi, looks like there's some tomatoes in there.
Little Brussels sprouts.
I've got the bolognese here, looks really good.